Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, May the 27th, 2021. Today, we have only a regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. But first, I will solve this baby. And this one will be number 2852. 2852. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 1 star, and for a 1 star Sudoku I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. The first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in these 3 boxes. Here we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box, so 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7 now. Alright, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay, and now I cannot continue with the 9. How about, yeah, the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about, yeah, in this row we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this big square, so no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 6. Alright, so we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. All right. Then. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here a 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Yeah, 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6, alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. That means these 2 boxes in the middle row. Here we have 4 and 8. The other pair should be the 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and 4. So the other pair should be the 2 and 8. 2 and the 8 are missing. Alright. 2 and 8. How about these 2 boxes in this column for the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and an 8 is missing. 5 and an 8. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes in the last column. 1, the 2 and the 4 are missing. 2 and a 4. And let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Okay. How about these 2 boxes in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and an 8 is missing. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this third row, 5 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. 4, 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row, first row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7 are missing. Okay, 1 and 7. Well, I think this box should be a 7. In this column, I need a 7 in one of those 3 boxes, but I see in this big square a 7. So here cannot be a 7. The 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Alright. Then. Okay. 2 and an 8, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in a row above, so on that row the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have the 2 and the 4, so the other 2 numbers should be the 7 and the 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. That means now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. The final 2 numbers of this big square are the numbers 8 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. I'm pleased with the time because I'm faster than the 15 minutes. Alright, nice Sudoku Medium. I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Mediums, playlists for the heavy Sudokus, light Sudokus, killer Sudokus, Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. I have a playlist for the letter Sudokus, a playlist for the tectonics, binaries, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find all the playlists you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus or puzzles in the additional. Have a great Thursday, fantastic Thursday. See you then. Bye bye for now.